Hi, this is Lindsay Gales. Excuse my voice, I'm just getting over the flu. Um, that is also why I opted not to have my picture here. So, this is my game Globify. For this prototype, I selected to zoom in on one state, and this game is playtesting one state, how I'm asking the questions, and really playtesting like the animations and how do I reinforce um, learning for any students that are having difficulty uh, with the video that they are viewing. If they're not getting the answers from that, how am I going to help give the information in an ulterior way? So without further ado, let's dive in. So on the first slide, this is made with Google Slides, by the way. Um, you are to answer each question correctly to earn a token. If you earn all 4 tokens, you are able to collect the state. So we press the start button to begin. And it automatically links you to the next slide. So first, please watch a video about New York State by clicking on the link below. Make sure to pay attention. You will be tested on what you learned. So clicking on the video, this is the video. Okay, well that's an ad. But this is the New York for Kids by Homeschool Pop will come up and play. They will have to go back, excuse me, and click on the arrow to move on to the next slide. Okay. Once they are done viewing the video, all of these questions are directly taken from that video. So the first question, what is the capital of New York State? So say a student chooses Washington, D.C. All of these buttons are linked with either the correct slide or the incorrect slide. And one improvement that I made after playtesting, this was a tip from Professor Lewis, is to make sure that I give more feedback. So I started linking in more articles. So, oops, read the article on the right for more review. So every slide has a different article that makes sure the answer is in here. So if you come down, oh, right, the capital is Albany, my bad. So I can go back, click on the star, it'll redirect me back to that slide. I can click on Albany, and then I earn a token. The token drops down from the sky. And then I click on the smiley face and it takes me right back to the next question. So I know it's the bluebird, and I earn 2 tokens this time. Click on the slide. Which president called New York State the seat of the empire? Well, I'm not sure. So I'm going to say Abraham Lincoln. Again, there's an article that I can read to get a better idea, and I can come down and say, oh, wait, you know what? Where was it? Right here. New York was named after the British Duke of York. Many experts believe it's nicknamed the Empire State because George Washington called New York the seat of the empire. So I can go back, click on the star, and click on George Washington. Okay. So this is my game, and the goal was to click, the goal was to earn 4 tokens. So it automatically links you to the last slide when you make it all the way through, and I earn New York State. So this obviously is just a snippet and an example of a smaller part of my game. I would want my game to be on a grander scale, incorporating more states, maybe even continents and countries. But for the time being, I really had a lot of fun creating this game. Excuse me. And I hope that you enjoy playing this game as well. I would love to hear your feedback on what more I could add. Thank you.